In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Java to Windows 11. If you are trying to open a Java file to mod Minecraft or for any other reason and this happens, well, all you need to do is to simply install Java to your computer. The first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the Java downloads page, and I'll leave this link in the description below. From here you want to scroll down, and then you want to select the latest version of Java, which is currently JDK 26. Just below that you want to select Windows, and then you want to go ahead and select x64 MSI installer and select the link just to the right of it. Now you want to go ahead and download the installer to your computer. So now we've downloaded the Java installer to our computer, you just want to go ahead and open it up, and then after a couple of seconds it will open and it will look like this. Now you want to select next, and then if you want to change your installation folder you can do that here. However, for most of you just want to select next. Now you want to wait for it to install, and you may need to give it permission, so you want to select yes, and then this will take a few seconds to install. Once it's finished you want to select close, and now you can go ahead and delete the installer from your computer if you'd wish to do so. If you want your jar files to always open with Java, we first want to right click a jar file, and then you want to hover over open with, and then in the context menu you want to select choose another app. Now you should see Java in the menu, so you want to select it, and then you want to select always. After a couple of seconds the Java file will open, so the next time we go to open it up it will automatically open with Java. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and consider hitting that join button below. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.